Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Abhishek Kumar and today we are having two special guests with us and we all three are going to talk about LPO-NCC enrollment procedure. So in this video, we are going to cover online as well as offline enrollment procedure. So without wasting further time, I'll take first question with JB that what is the online procedure we are having in our LPO-NCC family. Over to you, JB.
Thank you, Abhishek, for giving me this opportunity. And firstly, while getting into the NCC under Lovely Professional University, we got an announcement in the UMS regarding the joining of NCC, and I was very thrilled when I got the announcement regarding this. So there was a link given in the announcement that the interested candidates could, sign in to this link. So we signed in, and the basic details were asked like name, your college, and address and mail ID. So do not hesitate to provide your contact details. All this is official. And after signing in the given link, we're directed to a written exam, which was held online. And the various subjects included were maths, mathematics, regarding general knowledge regarding NCC, and about general knowledge. So basically, there were 10 questions from each sector. So each sector contained 10 marks. And so questions were basic. So I kindly refer you guys to go through all the questions of basic 10th and 12th standard. And you can take up the NCC questions from there were different platforms. So you can follow that.
Yeah, we
and
can just ask them to go for
process, the
FAQ section of NCC India website as well, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, perfectly fine. And they could follow up the questions over there. Then after this round, there were shortlisted candidates who were forwarded to the next round, which was essay writing. In this, I would like to precise more that you need to write on your own words. Do not try to, copyright from the internet, or do not try to copy from any other documents which were written earlier. So kindly make it your own. Give your own touch to it. So then after this round of essay writing, the topics were provided by them. It was basically concentrated on social issues and community development. So I guess you guys will rock on this round. So after this round, we had a physical round in which the physical strength of candidates were tested. Basic exercises were given like squats, crunches, push-ups, pull-ups, and there were time durations for each exercise, like 5 to 10 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. And we had to record our videos regarding this, and then we have to upload in the given link. So that was the process for selection, and that's it.
Yeah. So you just mentioned one stuff like we just have to write the essay like ourselves and all. So there is any Pellegrim stuff and all? They're going to check the Pellegrims?
Yeah. Yes, sure. That was the main point regarding the essay writing. So any plagiarism during this would be rejected directly. So kindly take a very important note of this, that you do not copy it from anywhere, and so make it your own. And it should be handwritten. It was handwritten, and we have to put it in the like the given link.
Perfect. Okay.
As Soumya told about the online registration process, so sir, can you please explain about your experience, your offline experience of joining the NCC?
Sure. So basically the registration stuff was same. Like we used to go to the portal through our UMS and we just have to fill out all the necessary details, whatever they're just asking about contact, mail ID, about the CGPA and all. If you're just applying in the second year, so they'll ask the CGPA and all. So these all the stuff we just filled out. Then after, we got a message on our UMS that there is a test scheduled on this time and all. And basically that test is after our classes, means after 5 p.m. So after that, in that test, we had 30 questions in 30 minutes. And that will, consist of basic maths. And Soumya said that is a level of class 10th as well as 12th. And there was some GK, the GK or GS, whatever is going, our surrounding in the very frequency as all. As well as there was some question from NCC India page from FAQ section. You just have to go through that, and some military history and all. So if you're going to cover these all topics, you're going to crack it with, very perfect marks, and you're going to pass out with flying colors, if I'll say. So after that, we got shortlisted for our physicals. So in physicals, what we did, we had to go for push-ups in 30 seconds, like for how much push-ups we can go for. And there was running as well. Running was of 400 meters. Yeah. So we had 20 people in our club, and we just have to run. And though the top 10 or top 7, whatever they just want, the one who will come in that given deadline, they're just going to be selected. Okay, not selected, they're going to be considered for that as well. And after that, there is going to be, sprint for 100 meters. You just have to go for the sprint along with your buddy. there will be two guys, and you just have to go with the sprint. And both the timings is going to be noted. How many push-ups you did, as I talked earlier. So these all stuff are going to be there. Then after toe touch, as well as there is a knee blockage or something like that. If you are having any fault, okay. So these all stuff are going to be considered. Then on the average marks, like they'll collide all the marks, and whatever the final results, according to that, they'll call you for the interview. So the first part of the interview will be with the community service cell head and your ANO or CTO who is going to be there. So they'll take your first interview. So in that, they'll ask you why you want to join the NCC, what's your preferences in future, what you will do, what do you know about the NCC, and what, like there's lots of questions that really basically depends on your soft skills, your personality, how you're going to just deal with it. So that is going to be there. So the candidates, those who are going to be selected in that part, then they are going to be forwarded to a next level, the second stage of interview. That is going to be with the head of division of student welfare. So he is going to take the interview of the final shortlisted candidates. So all of them have to go with that interview phase as well. And that interview is going to be, mind blowing. You just have to be prepared completely. You will get lots of knowledge out of there as well. There will be some spontaneous questions, and that is going to be mind blowing, if I'll say. So this is all about that process. And then I think after 20 to 25 days, you will get a message. We got a message that time as well. And at that time, I was in NIT Jalandhar. So I got a message and I just celebrated that stuff by cutting the cake and all. So this is the full process we just went through. And I hope when the COVID is going to be, ended, then the same will restart. So this was the whole process. So any more questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So basically, I just want to include one thing as well. Like we LPU NCC are dealing with 3 battalions. One is 8 Punjab NCC battalion. Second is 2 Punjab Girls NCC battalion. And second is 1 air squadron. In that, we are just attached to DAV part. So this is the formation of our NCC. Okay. So last but not least, I just want to know from both of you, like how is your experience yet with LPU NCC family? Uday.
So till now, I got a very good experience. So my buddies, my seniors are just awesome. My battalion and my ENO is just awesome, sir. Awesome, just I guess.
Okay, it's great. It's great that you're feeling good with your, LPU NCC family.
Yes, sir.
So Soumya,
I'm feeling blessed, sir.
Okay. So Soumya, what about you?
Yeah, so in NCC through online, it was really amazing experience for me till now, and I hope that I have better experience in future too. So because we have daily activities which keeps us engaging throughout the day, and it was not just individual tasks, it was also regarding the teamwork. In NCC stands for unity, brotherhood, and discipline. So that's what we are learning from these activities, and I request each and everyone who join NCC in future, kindly take part in these activities because this will help you to explore your abilities and capabilities. Also, we had a very good bonding with seniors and my cadet fellows, and they were really helping me in each and every doubt that I had. So I had really amazing and fantastic feeling in this NCC department.
Great. So it was nice talking with you, both of you. It was interesting as well as informative. So those candidates were just going to, those who are just admiring and desired, those who just have desired to join LPU NCC family, if they're going to watch this video, I'm for sure they're going to get lots of knowledge and they're going to clarify their lots of doubts. So thank you so much, guys, for coming to this platform and sharing your experience.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting us.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.